Syria is hope. It is beauty etched in every corner, a land that has known triumph through the ages. Syria is strength, the kind that rises from ashes, and resilience that echoes through time. Syria is bravery, in every struggle, in every sacrifice, a spirit unbroken, steadfast, and true. Syria is culture, a rich tapestry of stories woven through centuries, a heart that beats with unity and pride. Syria is light, shining even in the darkest hours. This Ramadan, join the call for humanity, show the mercy to rebuild, and be the hands that restore Syria to its light, its life, its love. We are Syria.